Data is all around us. When we learn to read data, understand data, and get insights from data, we can solve complex problems and answer tough questions. While sometimes the answers to the problems we are trying to solve are hidden, when we learn how to read data and interpret data, we can spot patterns, and this can help us get insights. Powerful tools like Excel empower us to organize, visualize, and analyze data. We can uncover insights and use them to make smart decisions. Using data helps us achieve amazing things. NASA makes strides in space exploration every day by relying on testing and using experimental data. Each piece of data might seem unimportant on its own, but together they make up the foundation of what drives us to the stars. Experience real NASA data with these free interactive activities to inspire our next generation of space explorers. And don't forget to engage in the activity to send your postcard to space, brought to you by our friends from Club for the Future. Join us in celebrating 20 years of humans living and working aboard the International Space Station. Celebrate your day of data today.